an explanation of repeated zeros of a function. Repeated zeros are when you factor a function like this, y equals x plus 3, and you have maybe another x plus 3. This would be a repeated zero at x equals negative 3. If you have a degree that is odd, it's going to cross the x-axis. If your degree is even, then it's going to touch the x-axis but not cross it. So our example below is a nice one from what we call a multiplicity. So we have a function f of x equals x minus 2 cubed. Notice here is a multiplicity. Its multiplicity is odd. The 0 is at x equals 2. Remember, you always set those factors equal to 0 and solve for x. So the 0 is at 2. Now we go up to this chart and we say since that degree is odd, then it's going to cross the x-axis. So if we look at our graph of this function with the graphing calculator, let's pretend we've done that. Here's this increasing, goes to decreasing, increasing, and then goes to increasing. So that's the shape of that function. And
if anyone in the building has found a pink lanyard, please bring it to the main office. Thank you.
At 2, we have a x-intercept. It's also a repeated 0, and it crosses the x-axis. And that's because of this piece right here. Now the next piece, x plus 1 all to the 4th, that multiplicity is a 4 and it's even. The intercept, we set that equal to 0 and solve for x, we get negative 1. So the x-intercept is at negative 1, and since it is even, it touches but does not cross. So it'll touch the x-axis. So here's where it's touching, and then it comes right back down. So there's that order pair, negative 1, 0. There's our repeated 0, but it just bounces back off. It will not go through it because the degree or multiplicity of it is an even number.